Good day, dear students. I hope you are safe and sound. Today we will learn about fraction. Definition of fraction. A fraction is any part of a group, number or whole. Or a fraction simply tell us how many parts of a whole we have. You can recognize a fraction by the slash that is written between the two numbers. We have a top number, the numerator, and a bottom number, the denominator. For example, 1/2 is a fraction. Now, explanation. Explanation of numerator and denominator. Numerator, it is the number of part we have. Denominator, it is the total number of part the whole is divided into. In example 1/2, 1 is numerator and d is denominator. Next is types of fraction. There are three main types of fraction. First is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, third is mixed fraction. Now I will explain you proper fraction. Proper fraction is the fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator. For example, 2/3, in this fraction 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. In the given example, we divided the square in three parts. Two parts are shaded and one part is unshaded. The part which are shaded can numerator means 2 and the whole equal parts of the square we made called denominator means 3. Next is improper fraction. Improper fraction is the fraction in which numerator is equal or greater than denominator. Now look at the example 1. Numerator and denominator are equal. If we divide a circle in 4 equal parts and shade all the parts, mathematically we will write it as 4/4 is called improper fraction. Look at the example 2. Numerator greater than denominator. Here we have two squares and divide each in 3 parts. Shade 5 parts and 1 remain unshaded. Mathematically, we will write it as 5/3 is called improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, if you have 2 whole circle and 1 half circle, you could describe as 2.5 is called mixed fraction. We have 3 circles and equally divided into 2 parts. So, denominator is 2. From 3 circles, we shade 2 whole circles. That's why 2 is the whole number. Mathematically, we write whole number at a side and we shade half of the third circle. That's why numerator is 1. 1/2 is mixed fraction. Dear students, we can change improper fraction into mixed fraction by using formula. Quotient into remainder divided by divisor. For example, 8/3 is an improper fraction. To convert it into a mixed fraction, we divide 8 by 3 as in example. 8 is not dividable on 3. That's why we do 3 into 2, which is 6 as in example given. Now 8 minus 6 equal to 2, which is remainder. Mathematically, representation is 2 into 2/3, where 2 is whole number and 2/3 is a proper fraction. Accordingly to the definition, combination whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Hopefully now fraction and its type have been properly understood by you. Thank you. Have a nice day.